क्वेश्चन करवा दुष्टम क्वेश्चन एट द हाई स्कूल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि व्हाट वाज गांधीज व्यू ऑफ हिम एज ए स्टूडेंट एट द हाई स्कूल एट द माने स्टूडेंट हिसाब रे गांधी को मत कोन थे अकॉर्डिंग टू गांधी हिज टीचर्स नेवर कंसीडर्ड हिम एज ए फुल ताको फुल रूपे बा अनइंटेलिजेंट रूपे नेउ नथिले भाबु नथिले दे नेवर थिंक दैट they were very affectionate to him गांधी को प्रति से टीचर्स गुडी को very affectionate थिले and he had never received a bad certificate in progress and character in school बुझेला फर्स्ट पॉइंट को हाइलाइट है he was not regarded as a fool or unintelligent at the high school second को हाला he was very affectionate by his teachers third को हाला he had never received a bad certificate in progress and character in school. He won prizes in the second standard. Okay, got scholarship in 5th and 6th standards. Second standard से prize गुड़ी को नोथले score करथले and he got scholarship in 5th and 6th standard. He attributed his achievements more than a good luck. more than his merit his talent at the high school student हिसाब रे ताकर व्यू कोन थिला फर्स्ट को हला he was not considered as a fool second he was very affectionate by his teachers third he never received a bad certificate in progress and character fifth he won prizes in the second standard and got scholarship in 5th and 6th standard लास्ट को होला he attributed his achievement तार कृतित्व गुडी किपर थिला more than his merit more than his good luck more than his talent दो नंबर कहिचे what was Gandhi's attitude towards guarding his character कैरेक्टर को गार्ड करिया पे सुरक्षा देबे पे गांधी के एटीट्यूड की परि थिला गांधी did not have any high opinion of his merit or talent as a student स्टूडेंट हिसाब से टैलेंट जी थिला हेवी ओपिनियन हाई ओपिनियन नथिला गांधी डिड नॉट हैव एनी हाई ओपिनियन ऑफ हिज टैलेंट एज ए स्टूडेंट ही सरप्राइज्ड व्हेन ही गॉट प्राइजेस एंड स्कॉलरशिप जो प्राइज और स्कॉलरशिप गुडी को पाउथिले से निजे ही सरप्राइज हो जाउथिले बट ही वाज कॉन्शियस ऑफ बिल्डिंग एंड गार्डिंग कैरेक्टर चरित्र गठन करने से बहुत वेरी कॉन्शियस द लीस्ट ब्लेमिश ऑन हिज कैरेक्टर ड्यू टीयर्स ऑन हिज आईज सामान्यतम ब्लेम जोटा निंदा जोटा कहवा लीस्ट ब्लेमिश ऑन कैरेक्टर चरित्र प्रति टिके भी ब्लैक स्पॉट आसुची कला दाग आसुची ब्लैक स्पॉट इट ड्यू टीयर्स फ्रॉम हिज आईज whenever he was rebuked he found it unbearable जतोल तक गाली करूथिले से सहय करि पारु नथिले it was rebuking or scolding was unbearable to him whenever he got punishment he did not so much mind as he minded the fact that he deserved it okay Gandhi had no high opinion of his merit. Second point, he got surprised when he got prize and scholarships. Third, he was very conscious building and guarding the character. Fourth, least blemish on his character due tears from his eyes. Whenever he was rebuked, it was unbearable. Whenever he got punishment, he did not so much mind. In this way, he regarded his character. Third question: what made the headmaster impose a fine on Gandhi? कहीं impose करें One Saturday, Gandhi had to attend a gymnastic class at 4 p.m. He had no watch at the time. The cloud deceived him. से कहते मेघ थी जो से टाइम जापर डिसीव ठकिबा एक्चुअली किंतु ये कह क्लाउड डिसीव्ड हिम मीन्स हैविंग क्लाउड्स ही कुड नॉट नो द टाइम exact time but the boys had all left the classroom before he reached the school. गांधी जी जिते स्कूल गले स्कूल अन्य पिला स्कूल छाड़ी देते माने से स्कूल जीवा टाइम पर लेट रे गले से स्कूल लेट कमर्स होगी गले से द फॉलोइंग डे द नेक्स्ट डे द हेडमास्टर फाउंड हिम मार्क्ड एब्सेंट. हेडमास्टर ताको कौन कर एब्सेंट कर दी. He asked Gandhi why he was absent. The headmaster wanted the reason of his absence. Gandhi told him the fact, what the truth is. But the headmaster was not convinced. The headmaster did not listen him. He refused to believe him. He refused to believe him. So he ordered Gandhi to pay the fine of 1 or 2 annas. 1 or 2 annas. Okay. One Saturday, Gandhi attended the gymnastics class at 4 p.m. Having no watch, having been deceived by a cloud, he went too late to the school. At the time, all the school children, boys, went out to home. The next day, the headmaster marked him absent. Gandhi told the reason behind his absence, but the headmaster did not listen him and ordered to pay the fine of 1 or 2 annas. Question 4 देखो. How did Gandhi describe the Persian and Sanskrit teacher? Okay, according to Gandhi, the Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster. He was anxious. He was worried to force the boys to take Sanskrit. Sanskrit नमक से force करूँ A sort of rivalry, प्रतिद्वंदी जोड़ा कहबा, was found between Sanskrit and Persian teacher. दी जन विद competition थिला, sort of rivalry थिला, प्रतिद्वंदी थिला. The Persian teacher says, the Persian teacher was lenient, flexible. He was good and considerate to students. समस्त उसे consider करूँ. For this, students feel easy to take the Persian class. Sanskrit class जीवा अपेक्षा पिला माने Persian class को बेसी prefer करूँ preferable. पांच नंबर देखो. How did Gandhi describe his headmaster? किपर describe करते. Was his headmaster Dorabji Edulji Jimmy. ना was Gandhiji's headmaster. He was popular among boys. He was a disciplinarian, a man of discipline, man of method, a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. Gymnastics and cricket compulsory करते upper standard boys मानक में. He turned down Gandhiji's request for exemption from attending gymnastics class. He turned down Gandhiji's request for exemption means कमेवा attending gymnastics class. Next 6 number देखो. What was Gandhiji's attitude towards handwriting? Gandhi had neither good handwriting nor he wanted to improve his handwriting. कहीं ना तांकर चिंताधारा थिला. He thought that he had nothing to do with education. Handwriting had nothing to do with education. When he went to England, he saw excellent handwriting of lawyers and young men in South Africa. At that time, he felt ashamed of his own handwriting. Then he understood that handwriting is the part of education, and he saw that bad handwriting should be regarded as the sign of imperfect education. Last को से ओपन कले पिलान को गुड हैंडराइटिंग इज द नेसेसरी पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन है ना. फर्स्ट से हैंडराइटिंग रो फॉर ही नथिले अगेंस्ट थिल हैंडराइटिंग रो फॉर नथिले से जेतेबेले से इंग्लैंड को गले व्हेन ही वेंट टू इंग्लैंड एंड सॉ द young men and lawyers handwriting, at the time he himself ashamed for his handwriting, and further finally understood that good handwriting is the necessary part of education. Next, how will a child write a beautifully formed hand? Keeper likhibo. Gandhi ji opines that children should first taught the art of drawing and learning to write before learning to write. लेखा शिखा पूर्वर चित्र आंकिबा गोटे प्रायोरिटी दिया जायछि. ए चाइल्ड शुड लर्न हिज लेटर बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन. ऑब्जर्व करके पिला माने शिखिबा आवश्यक. एज ही डोज डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ बर्ड्स फ्लावर्स, देन द हैंडराइटिंग लर्निंग वुड बी बेटर आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ये कथा से कहीदेले है. फर्स्ट इटे लिखिबो कोन आर्ट ऑफ ड्राइंग उपर रहइबो बिफोर लर्निंग टू राइट. देन लर्निंग बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखिबो डिफरेंट लाइक बर्ड्स लाइक फ्लावर्स. देन ए ब्यूटीफुली फॉर्म्ड हैंड विल बी डेवलप्ड while writing. Next question, why did Gandhi realize that a man of truth must also be a man of care? On Saturday, Gandhi was supposed to attend the gymnastics class. ताको फोर्स करा जाइतिला आसिया पे at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but he could not attend it. Of course, he did not do it deliberately. जदियो करि पार नथिले, although he told the truth. सत कथा कहिथिले हेडमास्टर, किंतु हेडमास्टर विश्वास करि नथिले. लेटर रीजन मध्य लेट कमर्स हिसाब रीजन मध्य से जणैथिले, बट हिज हेडमास्टर डिड नॉट बिलीव हिम एंड फाइंड हिम. ताको फाइन पकाई देले. इट ग्रेटली पेन्ड हिम, shocked Gandhi. He cried through mental suffering, mental anguish. Then he realized that a man of truth must also be a man of care. से समय से realize करे. Next question देखो. अदिटा अच्छे. Why did Gandhi request his headmaster to exempt him from gymnastics class? कहीं की request करते हैं? Exempt करिया पे. Gandhi desired to serve as a nurse to his ailing father. बापा को सेवा करिया पे से रहिथिले. He stayed there to nurse the ailing father. He disliked to attend gymnastics class because it was held at 4 p.m. which came directly in the way of serving his father. जोटा कि से समय ही से बापा को सेवा करूथिले. से गोटे रीजन जो ही से gymnastics class attend करि पार नथिले. But gymnastics was compulsory at that time. He requested to the headmaster to exempt him attending class ताको से समय वंचित करिबा पे. Later the headmaster convinced that case of getting the time remitted. केतोले से convince कले when his father wrote himself. से पर्यंत विश्वास करनथिले. When his father wrote himself to the headmaster saying that he wanted him the home after school. सेतोले से रियलाइज करथिले केतोले जतोले से बापा लिखले जे नाही मते नर्स करिया पे घरे टाइम ये करथला. से समय से रियलाइज करले कहिले रिमिट करले. अदरवाइज इट कैन नॉट बी रिमिटेड. इट कुड नॉट बी रिमिटेड. Last question. Why did Gandhi express his gratitude to Sanskrit teacher? Krishnasankar Pandey was Gandhi's Sanskrit teacher. Gandhi respected his advice to sit in the Sanskrit class. Respect, regard kale se Sanskrit class re bosigiri. He took up Sanskrit and learnt it. Without his guidance, he might have तांको जदि गाइड करि न थांते होय तो आज के से पर्शियन क्लास रे बसी थांते, पर्शियन लैंग्वेज ही सीखि थांते. The little Sanskrit he learned that it helped to read the sacred holy books, पवित्र ग्रंथ गुडी को पढिबारे साहाय्य कला of that language. The knowledge he acquired in Sanskrit was due to effort and advice of Sanskrit teacher. Sanskrit रे जो होली बुक्स गुडी को जो नॉलेज गुडी को गेन कले, it was due to the efforts and advice of Sanskrit teacher. So Gandhiji was grateful to him.